out into the surrounding is no soil is known as mycorrhizal. The genus Syrinx mycorrhizae in which fungal hyphae penetrate outer cells, plant root forming coils, swelling minutes, branches also extend surrounding into the surrounding soil is known as endomycorrhizae. Genus Humus form endomycorrhiza. Mycorrhizae in which fungal hyphae surround the extend between the cells do not penetrate the cell wall of the root also extend into the surrounding soil known as actomycorrhizae. For example, actomycorrhizae are mainly basic mycota include Amanita spp bladders or spores are produced inside the reproductive structure calciferentia which are cut off from the hyphae. Spores are produced inside the reproductive structure called sporangia, which are cut off from the hyphae by complete septa. Spores may be produced by sexual asexual process are applied non-motile and are produced in very large number. They disperse by wind to great wind distance caused by the distribution of many kinds of fungi. Conidia are cut off at the end of the modified hyphae called conidiophores and not inside the sporangia, usually in chain or cluster. These are non-motile sexual spores may be produced in large number. They can be survive for weeks and cause rapid or colonization of new food. Lipids store double amount of energy than carbohydrates. Lipids are used to store the energy because these have a higher proportion carbon, hydrogen bond and a very low proportion of oxygen. So lipids store double amount of the energy as compared to the same amount of the any carbohydrates. Inhibitor affect the enzyme function. Inhibitor is a chemical substance which can react with enzyme but is not transformed. They can react with enzyme but is not transformed into product and thus blocks and the active site temporarily or permanently poisons or antimetabolites some drugs. Characteristic of enzyme. Characteristic of living organism. They are highly complex. They are made up of one or more cells. They can cause you. They have different their characteristics. Population is a group of living organisms at the same time. The number of rats in a field of rice. Community population of different species, plant and animal living in same habitat form a community. A plus community. A name for areas. Usually fertile pillars exist in a lake. And apoenzyme and enzyme with its coenzyme protein group is called apoenzyme. Apoenzyme cofactor are non-protein part of the some enzymes which are essential for the plants for the proper functioning of the enzyme. They usually act as a bridge between enzyme and their substrate. Coenzyme is non-protein part of the non-protein part which is loosely attached to the protein part of the enzyme. Coenzyme closely related to vitamin or derivatives vitamin derivative NAD characteristic of an enzyme are biochemical activity with global protein enzyme lower activation energy of the reaction. Enzyme are very specific in their reaction. Enzyme increases the rate of reaction without themselves being used up. Adipati is a group of natural population which can intervene freely among themselves. Produce fertile offspring, but are isolated from all other such groups in nature. Human beings, males, cat, etc. Virology is the branch graduated with the study of the viruses by nomenclature. The assignment of the name to organism using two Latin words denoting the genus and second descriptive name. The two together constitute the name of species. the rules of nomenclature. And the name of species are derived from Latin as Greek words or scientific name are usually printed in italics.